Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. Somebody asked me the question this morning, what is a lead magnet? Lead magnet, capture pages, autoresponders, who the hell knows what it all means? Never fear, Diane is here. In order to make money online, you really need a list. Okay, but how do you get people on your list? So you need a little hook or a little free gift that you can put on a capture page or a landing page so you collect their email. So the lead magnet is the ebook, the capture page is the bit in the middle, and then you send them onto your email list. So what is a good example of a lead magnet? But it could be a free guide. It could be, I've got a free ebook on Facebook branding. So if you know about Facebook branding, you could whip up a PDF or a Word document and then press the button, make it a PDF, and then you can send them to that. It could be a video. It could be a video training. If you were in the health and wellness thing, you could put 3 top tips to help you lose weight, or 5 top tips to help you sleep better, or 3 top tips to help your children behave properly. Anyway, yes, but those days are long gone for me. So a lead magnet is something that you've invented or something that you've found on the internet. I mean, there's quite a lot of free things around, like what are the 4 personality types in the sales world, and there's different ones. There's the red, blue, green and yellow one. There's the personality types where the visual or hearing and touchy-feely, auditory and kinesthetic. There are tons of things that people need to know. Okay, so if it's a tip on arthritis and you're selling the CBD oil or something, you could do a little article with a solution at the end. Or if you've got a group on Facebook, you could put the info and lead them into your group. There's lots of different ways and different topics. I mean, if you need help with finding out what's the best topic for you, just drop me a note below and I'll contact you via Facebook. So you need an ebook. Actually, I've got a recommendation here because my new Facebook branding ebook was made in 2 minutes. Wow, it took me half an hour for the training, but once you've got it sussed, 2 minutes. You can make an ebook in 2 minutes. If you've got the PDF or the documents or any website you like, you can get the file into this designer and you can make it into 2 columns, 1 column, add a photo here, add a photo there, and put a call to action at the end. Because a lot of people just send the PDFs out and they don't put a call to action at the end. So a call to action could be click another link, watch a video that you've made. So basically it's a line of communication between you and that other person. So once you've decided on what your lead magnet is and you've made it on Designer, link below, you need a capture page system. In fact, let me just show you. I'll just share my screen a second. I want to get rid of this screen here. And this is a selection of capture pages. So a capture page look is, you can either have your name or just the email. Now, the best capture pages are the least information possible. So the minimum that you need is that one with just the email and the button. But you can have the name, the email and the button. Then you can say, "Dear Diane, hello Jeff." And so it's a bit more personalised, so it's up to you. And then you can have, let me just show you this one here actually. This is a good one. If you're in my team, you can have this one. I can send it to you because it's a basic one where you actually put your own email opt-in there, and I can send this one to you. So for instance, if you're targeting affiliate marketers know that they've got a free, so you can have a free 30-day email sequence here. They don't need to know how to write the emails anymore. It's done for you. Okay, so then you can capture their email in there, and then you need about, say, 6 or 7 follow-up emails on that topic, but I'll do that in another video. So the number one program that I recommend is this one. If I go back to the where's the home page gone? It's got websites and it's got the sales funnels already there. It's got your email autoresponder in there. It's you can put videos on your pages as well. It's just a minefield, a plethora of new toys I can play with. There's too much in here to go over because I keep discovering new things. This can actually do automatic posting on Facebook profile, Facebook fan pages and Instagram. You don't need to pay for Buffer anymore or any of the other ones that you used to use. Just use this one. And it's got a Facebook chat bot as well. So not only it saves you money on everything else on the planet, because ClickFunnels is way up there out of everybody's price range. The autoresponders themselves are, say, $15. I used to pay $40 for my capture pages and $15 for my autoresponder, and I haven't got any of this as well. So this is my number one recommendation. You can do your own webinars, you can do your own lead magnets, you can add them onto your autoresponder, and it's all in one package. Business in a box, less than $50. Actually, while I'm on the subject, I might as well show you this bit at the end. This I've just mentioned is less than $50. So imagine if you could sell, I don't know, 50, one a week, 52 weeks, 2 weeks off for Christmas. You would get 2,250 if you've sold 50, right? And your monthly income is 30% of that. But what if you got 30 people in and they got 25 in? I rest my case. It's quite easy to promote because you can sell it, but it helps people save money. So you don't sell it, it helps people save money, and it helps you automate your business, and it's all in one box. So it's quite easy once you've done the trainings to set up. You can set up your own blog, so you can have a website, a blog, your own email list, And then you can go onto other platforms. Once you've got this one sussed, the next step is to go to the other platforms and get other programs that you can sell to other people to help them in their business. But the basic one, it's got 100 things in it. It's got lots of trainings, but that's what you can earn. And that's only with 30 who get 25. I mean, if you've got 100 in, you get 4.5 grand. Okay, so basically it's just, and you say got 20 in, and they got 30 in. Do you know what I mean? You can just play around with all this. I mean, it's just a phenomenal platform. And there is also another funnel which I'll put down below as well. No, actually, I'll just put the email one below today. I don't want to confuse you, because you can have one platform, different lists for different people, but then that is going into the email side of it. So I'll do that in another video. This was just a basic one on what is a lead magnet, how it works with your capture page and your email system. The best system that I think sliced bread is Builderall for less than $50. And if you recommend it to other people and you just show them the back office and they know what a capture page is and they're looking for one, they get the credit card out straight away. And you say, are you ready to get started? And they go, oh God, yes, heck yes. And then it's really easy. If you want to join my team, click the link below. I'll actually set up that email one for you in a bit and put that underneath my video. Click the link to subscribe and hit the notification button and say, Di, thank you for this. I love you. What a great video underneath. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.